Hello, welcome to this Classin tutorial. I hope that the information that I give you will be of some use for you. Basically, this video is like really simple. I only know the simple usage of Classin, so I just want to share the basics so that you can just get started to use the tools, because it is a little bit confusing when you first start using Classin. So I just like it to be, like nice and easy without all of the unnecessary information, because I did find it difficult to find the videos that I wanted where I just wanted to know the basics. Okay, so I hope this one helps you there. Now when you log into Classin, it will take you to this like home screen page, and there will basically just be start public lesson and create class. Now you can click on start public lesson as an example, just to create your class. After you click create, it will say enter class. Now I've already created a couple here, so I'm just going to click on enter, but when you click on enter it will go straight into the classroom and it will be like this. Okay, so let's get into that one. Now when you come in, you will want to check your camera. If you look at the top right hand side, you'll see there's a camera option there. Now it will be off, but when you click on, it will come on. Your camera will be full screen. The reason why it looks like this is just because of how I'm making this video. I'm not very good at making videos, but you can check your microphone as well. You'll see it's moving on the top left, and there's a record button there. If you hover over it, it says record lesson, and if you hover over these squares, you can change your classroom layout wherever you want to put it. So these are the squares that you can click on, and you can click on any of the preset squares and it will give you the option to choose those. Now you can also create a custom layout. For example, if you want a horizontal split, or like if you've got 2 students, or you might have 4 students and so on, you can add like extra splits in the screen. And then once you click save, you've got it there and it will display. Of course it doesn't display here because I don't have any students in the class, but when you do, you'll be able to see all of the students and the different tiles. Okay, so that's that one. Now when you want to upload your material, you click on this cloud button and it will take you into where your material is. Now earlier when I recorded the video, I don't think that you could see this part when I was demonstrating it, so I'm just doing it again. So you'll see here that these are the pre-uploaded ones in your home box, and again I said that you need to click on upload if you want to upload the new materials. So in this case you see I've got different materials here. Now I clicked where's my baby bear earlier, so as soon as I clicked that and clicked open, then it would have uploaded and converted. But I won't do that again because I have it here. But as soon as I click on that button, again you'll see that there's my material. So I just thought I'd show you that again because I realized that you probably couldn't see it when I spoke earlier. So I just thought I'd re-add that in the recording of our tutorial. Now when your material uploads, you can hold on the left mouse button and drag it over to where it is. Now here it is here, and again you can drag your camera over, or sorry, the material, you can drag the box over, you can drag it up and down to enlarge it, right? Now once you've got your desired size, after that of course what you can do, you can then use the tools. So on the right hand side you'll see there's like a pen or brush, and you can choose the color that you like, and you can also enlarge and like make it bigger and smaller. So that's that one. Now if you want to delete all of that, you can click on this little box, hover over it all, and you should be able to delete it, yes, or drag it or move it wherever you desire. Or you can click on this eraser button and just erase the writing away or the drawing away. Now there's a text button. Again, you can make the size small or large, and you can also use the cursor button to make the writing, well, to your desired size, right? Like this. Lovely. Good. Again, you can highlight it and you can move it or drag it wherever you like. Okay, that's that one. Now I just clicked on the screen there, it just moved my slide over, but there it is, it's back again. So if you look at the bottom, you'll see there's like a play button. This one will actually play the slides, right, like a PowerPoint. Or you can literally just click back and forth on the slides as you go. So that's one example of that one. We also have this on stage hands up button. You can click on that if you want to bring the child or your student on stage, so their camera will actually be displayed below my camera. You can reward them with the trophy and so on. And of course, if you want to use the laser pointer, you'll see that on your student's side, or well, on your side, when you see the student, theirs will be red and yours will just be just like this. You know, you won't really see anything as such, you'll just see the mouse flash, right? That's how yours will look. Excellent. Alright, very nice. Good. I wonder if I click it, yeah, it still shows ours. You've got the cut button. You can take a screenshot, cut a screenshot, upload images and so on. And you have a chat function here where you can chat to your students. Again, you can send it out. You've got the emojis. You can click on the emojis, whatever emoji you like, send those out. And you've also got the question box where you can maybe type a question, whatever it is, so your WH questions, okay, and send it out, and they can type their answer and so on. Again, you can reward them with the trophy. Lovely. Good, good. And what else have we got there? Okay, now for the next part, we've got the this one here, the student list, right? Now what we can do, we can check the students. Of course I have none in this tutorial, but you'll see like who's on stage. You'll be able to authorize their pens, the functions that they can use. You've got the mute button, so be able to mute them and unmute them, so check their mics are working, check on their cameras, turn on and off their cameras, see how many rewards they've got or send rewards out, and hands up and so on. So that's where you can check that. And again, you've got the record button at the top, so if you want to record the class, just remember to click on that button and then it will save your recording of the lesson and you'll be able to send it out to your students. So when you've finished a class, I just want to give you a quick example. So in this case, I've got the lessons that I've taught. I can create an assignment, or I can add the recording of the lesson that I recorded into this box, and you've got like the chat functions where you can chat to the parents and so on. Okay, well I hope that tutorial helped you, and of course leave your comments down below, because there might be many things that I didn't cover since I've only just discovered how to use Classin within the last 2 days. So it took me a little bit of time just to work out how to use those tools in the classroom specifically. Yeah, so double check everything, and of course, if you have any questions, if there's anything that I didn't explain very well, then you can always type a little question in the comments below. And of course, if you want to share the video, you know, you're more than welcome, because I just want to make it easy for everyone, because, you know, I found that little part very difficult. Yeah, okay, so I hope that helped you, and I'll say goodbye, and I'll see you next time. Thank you, bye bye.